Hello guys, and welcome back to the 6th episode of the Minecraft mod tutorial. In today's episode we're going to be doing creative tabs, so let's get started. You don't want to open your Java, and inside of tutorial mod create a new package called .tabs, referring to creative tabs. And then in here create the name of your tab, tutorial tab. This is going to extend creative tabs, which is just a Minecraft file with all the required functions for creative tabs, and Ctrl+Shift+O to import. It's going to want two functions: the constructor, which is public tutorial tab, in here it wants a string label. Label refers to the name. Open curly brackets. Then it wants a super referring to creative tabs, which is going to be the name. Super, open brackets, and then quotation marks. And in here just put tutorial tab, all lowercase. Semicolon, and click enter. Then below here, you're going to want to put this dot set background image name, then just quotes again, call it tutorial.png. The actual image referring to the background image will be called tab_tutorial.png, but Minecraft will search for tab underscore and then the name you give here. And then there you go, that's the first two. And then we want to add the unimplemented method, which will also make one line, as it's very simple, which is just going to be, it's going to return, as it's searching for one thing, an item stack. New item stack. What this is, it wants the icon of the creative tab. So we need to convert an item or block into an item stack. If you want an item, simply put item init dot tutorial ingot and semicolon on the end. Or if you want a block, put item dot get item from block and then put block init dot tutorial or, for example. I'm going to set it as the item, and that's everything done. I'll also go a quick run over. We use the constructor to find out the name, which we put in the super function, super tutorial tab. Then we find the background image name, tutorial.png, and we get the icon it wants to use, which is going to be an item stack of item init.tutorial ingot, or the block if you choose. We can now close this. In our main class tutorial mod, above sided proxy, we are going to initialize our creative tab. Public, of course, static, final. This is similar to the things in reference. If we go into reference here, these are all public static finals, they're one value. Then creative tabs, referring to it as it's a creative tab. Then the name of your creative tab, I'm just going to put tutorial tab, all lowercase, and we need to initialize it so it's equal to a new, and then we're going to put tutorial tab, and then once again I'll want the name tutorial tab lowercase, semicolon on the end, and Ctrl+Shift+O to import creative tabs and tutorial tab. If we loaded up Minecraft now, our tab would have an error for the background image name, as it wouldn't be able to find the background image that we specified. So inside of assets, create a new folder, but not_tm assets.minecraft, But then this is a very long thing. Assets.minecraft, just referring to Minecraft assets, as the creative tabs are a Minecraft thing. We are not creating a custom thing, we're actually using a Minecraft thing. Dot textures, as it's a texture, it's a background image. GUI, referring to graphics user interface, as it's a user interface, we're getting items out of the creative tab. Then .container, as it stores items. And then .creative_inventory, as that's what it is. Click finish. And there we have the Minecraft textures GUI containing creative_inventory. Now open up your desired editing program. I'm going to use paint.net as usual. And open from your default textures, default textures, GUI, container, creative inventory, and tab_items. This is the default Minecraft thing. You can do whatever you want to edit this. For example, if we wanted to create a rainbow, we could. We do anything to this, and it will appear in Minecraft as long as we save it in the correct place. But I am just going to use my orange transparency as normal, and hover over this grey bit here, and click, and it will make everything orange. There we go, that's my one. You can do any design you want, but just remember that the name will be here, and the scroll bar will be here, so make sure not to write anything below that or you won't be able to see it. Now File, Save As. We're going to save it in our Minecraft modding, tutorial mod 1.12, source main, resources, and then all the way through the thing we just created. And save it tab_tutorial.png. We called that image tutorial.png, but Minecraft is searching for tab_ as it's a tab. Click save, and OK. Click on tutorial mod and F5, and you'll find tab_tutorial in here. So what we are doing, in tutorial tab, we're naming it and setting its background image, which is referred to here, and we are setting its icon, and then we are initializing it inside of our tutorial mod. When we run the game, we will find that we'll have a custom creative tab with that background. Here we are, load into our world, open our inventory, and we'll see a 1 out of 2. Click to the right, and you'll see the tutorial mod thing here. Oh, I actually forgot to show you this on camera, but you need to, in your lang file, create item group, referring to a creative tab, and then the name of our tab, tutorial tab, and then set it to the desired name. I've set mine as tutorial mod. You should do that before running Minecraft and you'll get the correct name. We have the icon of the tutorial ingot as we set in our tutorial tab. We set it as tutorial ingot and it's there in Minecraft. And then we have the background image tab_tutorial.png. There's a slight issue as this does overhang our background image, but there's nothing much to worry about. If you want, you can design around this or whatever. But for now, we're all done. Final thing we need to do is go into our item init and block init and set our creative tabs. For custom ingot, we set it inside of the custom ingot class, so go into here. By the way, when I hover over these and go into them, if you hold control and then click on a class, it'll take it into that class. Set creative tab, we are going to change this to tutorial mod, which is the class it's located in our tutorial mod.java here, and then .tutorial tab, which is our tab. Give that a save, and then block init. Down here in our register block function, block.setCreativeTab, we'll also put tutorial mod.tutorial tab. Save that and boot into your game, and you'll find that both your block and your item are in the tab. In the next episode, we are going to be moving on to tools, and I might do Armour in the same episode, as they're very similar, and also I know a lot of you guys want to move on to more advanced tutorials. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below, subscribe for more, and if you want, you'll see the playlist at the end of this video to see the rest of the tutorials. Thanks for watching, my name's been Harry, and goodbye.